We're going to be entering a preserve, so that means we need to be what? Quiet. Okay, so we're going to go into the preserve, and I'm going to be pointing out the plants, many of the plants. You notice on your data sheet it says N or E, meaning native or exotic. We are going to be taking notes on the plants and the animals that we see. Is all land on Earth part of a watershed? I see water over there. Is that fresh water or salt water?
Fresh.
How do we know? The trees. What kind of trees are growing there? Mangroves. And what kind of water do mangroves grow in? Salt water. Any other land plants grow in salt water? No, that's what makes a plant a mangrove. The definition of mangrove is a plant that can grow in salt water. We have 3 mangroves. Anybody know what our 3 mangroves are? Red, black, white. Okay, so I'll show you all 3, but they are not related closely in the classification of plants. They're all in different plant families, not even the same genus. This is the cabbage palm. Behind it, behind the cabbage palm is saw palmetto. Sea grapes are native. They're, right now they're in bud. Dune sunflower. That island wasn't there in the 1940s. They built that island with sand that they dredged from Longboat Pass. This is sea oats. Sea oats are very important for protecting the dunes. Knickerbean has, every pod has 2 smooth brown seeds in it, but the seeds are the only thing that's smooth on this entire plant. This plant is really cool. This is called fish poison vine. It's native. We learned about the mangroves, and where do they grow?
Salt water.
Salt water. And what are the 3 types? Red, black, white. The water right here is, it's an estuary, and it is Sarasota Bay. Very good.